Hi everybody and welcome to Homeschool from Homebuilding and Renovating. My name is Jason Norman. I'm the Content Director for Homebuilding and Renovating and also an experienced self-builder and renovator. And I want to share with you some of the tips that I've used along the way to create successful homes roughly on budget, never quite on budget, but roughly on budget, and projects ultimately and probably most importantly that we've been really happy with, because it's hard work extending a house. It's not much fun. And actually there are plenty of pitfalls to make along the way, as you'll see from TV shows like Grand Designs. So this 40-minute seminar will give you all those insider tips on how to get started, how to get your project off on the right track, covering costs, builders, design, planning consent, building regulations, insurance, all the things that you probably don't really want to think about, but actually you really should. So actually building successfully is about knowing what you don't know, understanding that, and getting properly prepared. So this 40-minute seminar is available on the Homebuilding website by clicking the link you can see at the end of this seminar or on the links below this video on the page, and you'll see the best ways to get your project off on the right track. So use this time wisely, get genned up, get learning and use homeschool properly, and I'm sure that once this is all over, you'll be absolutely properly prepared to make your project a success.